Hello dear students, welcome to Chem Class Academy. Today I am going to explain volume of cylinder and surface area. Last class you learned about express the volume expressed to cubic units. The volume expressed to cubic units. Today topic is volume of cylinder and surface area. Volume is a amount of three-dimensional space that is occupied by some matter or object. Now, how can calculate volume of cylinder? How can calculate volume of cylinder? It is cylinder. The height h is height of the cylinder and r is radius. Radius is the distance between center of the circle. Center of the circle is radius. Basically, volume in cylinder is V times H. But here B is base of the area circle, base of the area circle. But it is base of the area circle and h is height of the cylinder and B represent area of the circle, that is 5r square. So write V is equal to 5r square h times h. It is the formula of volume in cylinder. So R represent radius and h height of cylinder and pi is constant. Value is 22/7 or 3.14. It is value of phi. It is constant. Is formula of volume in cylinder. Now surface area is the amount of space covering outside of the three-dimensional shape. Outside of the three-dimensional shape. How can calculate surface area? But it is cylinder height, h is height of the cylinder and r is radius of cylinder. Circle. But you know already circle distance between center of the circle is radius. And the cylinder is three parts is top circle. It is top circle area and base circle area or bottom. and middle of it is curved surface area which is rectangle. Curved surface area which is rectangle. It is open. It is open. It is open. It's open. So then it is open. Then convert rectangle. So curved surface area after open convert a rectangle. And the length is base circle in cylinder. But the base circle in cylinder, it is the base circle in cylinder. It is cylinder, base circle in cylinder. So it is length. Length in rectangle. Length in rectangle. It is 2 phi r. 2 phi r is length in base circle cylinder. So h is height of rectangle. So now total surface area. Total surface area is surface area. Top circle area. Top area plus base circle area plus curved surface area which is rectangle. Curved surface area is rectangle. Rectangle is rectangle. So top circle area of the circle is area of the circle is 5r square. It is a 5r square. So top circle area 5 r square plus base circle area 5r square plus curved surface area is rectangle. Length and height. Length and height is length and height 2 phi times h. 2 phi times h. Then it is 2 phi r square plus 2 phi r. Then simplify 2 pi r plus h. It is a formula of surface area. Formula of surface area. You can calculate surface area using this formula and find out volume in cylinder. You can calculate using this formula. V is equal to 5 r square h and surface area is equal to 2 phi r into r plus h. It is about volume of cylinder and the surface area. Please subscribe my channel Chem Class Academy and bell icon. You get everyday my class in the form of notification. Don't forget subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.